It's snowing in Sulphur Springs, Texas.
Ever since I laid eyes on you, just kid, 6th grade back in school. They say young love, it don't last, but we held on and we fell deeper. Every day that passed us by, kissing on the rocks under the Sedona sky. And soon I made you mine forever, meant to be, you and I together. You're the light, you're the sun, you're the one I turn to on the dark days. You're the glue, the air I breathe, you're all I need, the reason for the smile on my face. There's no life without you.
It is snowing pretty good out here now. Gonna go check on the chickens right now. Whew. Gotta go check on the ladies, see if they're all bundled up. What's up, ladies? Pretty warm in here, huh? Woo! Jordan, you liking the snow?
Yes.
These are our existing built-ins and cabinets that we have in the entertainment area. Our TV doesn't fit. We've had it on a steppy stool for almost a year. So we're gonna be removing all the shelving, putting in floating shelves, redoing the countertops, and then redoing the cabinetry. Maverick, are you my helper? All right, can you give me a screw? Thank you. All right, need another screw, Bubba. Thank you. All right, we got Jordan and Maverick here to walk us through our DIY renovation of our entertainment area. Jordan, what did we do?
Okay, so there were existing built-ins in here that we actually cut and removed the top half of the built-ins and went ahead and removed the counters that were on there as well. We shiplapped the back wall, mounted the TV, went ahead and ran the cords back in through the wall so everything was hidden. Then we went ahead and added the boards for the counters, did the wood filler. We sanded, stained in the Minwax Provincial Stain and used the tongue oil finish on there, and did floating shelves, matched it in the same stain color. Then I went ahead and painted the cabinets in an oil-based paint this time, but used the same color, the Sherwin-Williams Swiss Coffee. Then we added new hinges, the same as the kitchen. We did the soft close hinge on there and did all new hardware so that it matches in the kitchen as well.
Thank you. The only thing left that we have to do for our family room is remove the stuff over there on the wall, and then we're gonna shiplap that entire wall. And then obviously put up some additional decorations over there on the right.
And then do the trim.
Oh yeah, we have to trim, yep. But here's a kind of a zoomed out look. I think it looks really good. Way better than the previous build out that was in here.
Ever since I laid eyes on you, just kids 6th grade back in school. They say young love, it don't last, but we held on and we fell deeper. Every day that passed us by, kissing on the rocks under the Sedona sky. And soon I made you mine forever, meant to be you and I together. You're the light, you're the sun, you're the one I turn to on the dark days. You're the glue, the air I breathe, you're all I need, the reason for the smile on my face. There's no life without you. You're everything. And soon enough, our 3 kids were born. Oh, to see their eyes when they look at you. You're their happy place out on our farm. We watch them be free and run. And there I go, falling deeper in love. I swear forever won't even be long enough. Your hand in mine through every stepping stone. All you are is all I want. You're a light, you're the sun, you're the one we turn to on the dark days. You're the glue, the air we breathe, you're all we need, the reason for the smile on our face. There's no life without you. And here we are on a new adventure. spending all our days together, making more memories. You're a light, you're the sun, you're the one we turn to on the dark days. You're the glue, the air we breathe. You're all we need, the reason for the smile on our face. There's no life without you. Jordan